Utility racks are an essential component of any workspace or garage. There are many products available to choose utility racks, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best utility racks from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Large Power Tool Organizer Wall Mount. The Pocopo Tool Organizer is designed to transform cluttered workspace into an efficient area. Its wide design allows you to store more tools, while additional side slots and hooks provide extra organization options. You'll find assembly a breeze, as it only requires a few screws to mount on the wall, saving you time and effort. Built to hold up to 400 pounds, this heavy-duty organizer ensures your tools are securely stored, making it perfect for garages, workshops, or tool rooms. It's an excellent gift for anyone who needs to tidy up their tool collection. Number 2. Cafaham Power Tool Organizer. The Cafaham Power Tool Organizer is a 4-tier high-capacity wall-mounted storage rack that is perfect for organizing and storing your power tools. With its extra-large 8 drill holders and 4 layers design, you can easily store your cordless drills and other heavy tools. The side of the rack also features a hammer holder, pliers holder, and screwdriver holder for added convenience. Made of thickened heavy-duty steel metal, this tool organizer has a strong weight capacity and is built to last. The easy installation design allows you to assemble the rack in just a few minutes. With its polished and rounded edges, this tool organizer ensures that your fingers won't get scratched. Say goodbye to wasted wall space and time spent searching for tools with the Cafaham Power Tool Organizer. Number 3. Power Tool Organizer Wall Mount 300 pounds Load 3 Layers Storage Rack. The Hipidian Tool Organizer is designed to help you maintain an orderly workspace. With a robust capacity of up to 150 pounds, this 3-tier wall mount ensures your tools are securely stored, allowing you to make the most of your wall space. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the included hardware and clear instructions, enabling you to set it up in just minutes. Made from high-quality powder-coated alloy steel, it is built to resist rust and scratches, ensuring durability. Its versatile design keeps your tools neatly organized, making it easy for you to find what you need quickly. Number 4. Fleximounts GL1 Overhead Garage Lifting Storage Rack. The FLEXIMOUNTS Garage Storage Rack offers a smart solution for maximizing your garage space. With a lifting design that allows you to raise and lower the rack using a hand crank or a power drill, you can easily access your items without needing a ladder. Its sturdy double rope system enhances security, ensuring your belongings remain safely stored. Additionally, the heavy-duty steel construction is built to last, supporting up to 300 pounds. This rack is perfect for organizing seasonal items and other belongings, keeping your garage neat and clutter-free. Number 5. Broom Holder Wall Mount Mop. The Reliaham Broom Holder is a sturdy and durable metal organizer that is waterproof and can hold various household objects. Its racks and hooks are adjustable and removable, and the non-slip grip locks secure tools with a one-handed push. This tool organizer saves space and can be used in different areas such as the laundry, kitchen, bathroom, utility room, garage, or garden.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.